The Destinator features Mitsubishi Motors' advanced safety technology, Mitsubishi Motors Safety Sensing. This state-of-the-art driver assistance system is designed to provide enhanced safety and peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Forward collision mitigation system detects potential collisions with obstacles ahead. It alerts the driver through warning sounds and display, and if necessary, automatically engages the brakes. Adaptive Cruise Control uses innovative radar technology to continuously monitor the distance between the vehicle ahead and maintain a comfortable following distance. Moreover, it automatically responds when the vehicle in front comes to a halt, further enhancing safety. Leading car departure notification utilizes radar to measure the distance and speed of the vehicle ahead. When the car ahead moves, the driver is promptly informed through the digital driver display. Rear cross traffic alert alerts the driver about vehicles approaching from the sides when backing up, providing support for those blind spots. The multi-around monitor system operates with 4 wide-angle cameras to provide a bird's-eye view of the car's surroundings. This enhanced visibility significantly aids in maneuvering during parking and on narrow roads.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.